Hey folks, I had somebody ask me if I could show them how to charge these JLab Go Air True Wireless earbuds. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. So this is the carrying case slash charger. There's an L and an R here, so you know that corresponds with at the bottom of the earbuds. There's an L, there's an R. But honestly, there's only one way you can put these in here. If I try to put the left and the right spot, it just doesn't, they don't fit. Okay, it doesn't make any, it won't fit. So what's going to happen though is you're going to snap these in here. Not snap them, but there's a magnet. So these two contacts will correspond to these two contact pins here. See, just like that. Just like that. They just magnetically go in there. So when you pop them in, see this blue light here? Watch this. When you put both of them in, that light will change. See, now it's green. It's only one flash, but it's green for a flash. And what that green tells you is, it tells you that the charge level is over 25%. It's between 25% and 100%. That's what it says in the instructions here. So if I had snapped these in here and they had gone to red instead of green, then I would know that these were super low on their charge. It'd be under 25%. So we know that these are fairly well charged, but you can still charge it. I can charge them up to 100% now if I want to. So this carrying case at the bottom has a USB cable that's attached. Okay, and it's pretty durable. It looks pretty flexible. You could turn it around 180 degrees. Looks like it holds its shape pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the USB port on my laptop here. And you can see it's still flashing blue, and that's because the laptop, even though it's plugged in, it's not charging this yet because it's still in standby mode. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the laptop, and it'll turn on, and then this changes to red. So that's how you know it's charging. When it's blinking red, that means we're in the middle of charging. Eventually, it'll turn to blinking blue, and then steady blue, and then it'll just turn off, because that means that it's fully charged and your earbuds are not going to charge anymore, but they're just kind of in standby mode. That's about all I can think to tell you. If you have anything that you want to know, go ahead and put them in the comments below. A like is always great if this helped you. Dislike it if it didn't help you. And you know, let me know how I can make my videos better. I appreciate the comments. Honest critique is always good. I hope this helped the person that I made the video for, and I hope it helps somebody else. Have a great day. Oh, I know what I forgot. So if you don't have a laptop or something like that, and you want to plug it in using like a cell phone charger or something like that, make sure that the plug is rated 5 volts and 1 amp or less. Okay, you don't want to fry your unit. So that's for like an actual adapter that you plug into a wall outlet. All right, great. That's the only thing I can think of that I didn't cover. So have a great day. See if you can help somebody today. I hope this helped you. Take care.